Hey YouTubers, welcome to Blue Collection. For our Blu-ray update of the week, today I got The Help, 2-disc combo Blu-ray DVD, and also Cowboys and Aliens, with Daniel Craig, the same actor from James Bond, and Harrison Ford, the guy from Indiana Jones. We also have Olivia Wilde, the sexy brunette from Tron, and the movie is directed by the same guy behind Iron Man 1 and 2, Jon Favreau. And not only that, here you have two cuts. You have the extended edition and the theatrical cut. The theatrical cut is PG-13 with 119 minutes, but the extended version is unrated with 135 minutes. So, seems to be pretty cool. And let's see what else here. Oh, and the digital copy not only is for ultraviolet but also for iTunes, which is a big plus. Thanks so much, Universal. So let's start with Cowboys and Aliens. Here's the slipcover. Just the words Cowboys and Aliens is embossed. The rest is really glossy, colorful. Let's see in the back. The exact same thing. Okay, so let's open here. Let me show you the artwork. Let's remove here the code. So here we have a flyer talking about "You won't believe your eyes how much the image sucks" of Jurassic Park. And here's the code for your digital copy. Let's see here. Here we have the Blu-ray. Nice case. This is the Blu-ray. Plain, boring, no artwork. Xfinity from Comcast. And here we have the DVD. Let me also remind you, some of you don't know this, the DVD is region 1, the Blu-ray is region 3. The Blu-ray has two cuts of the movie, theatrical extended edition. The DVD only has one cut, PG-13, that's it, nothing else. Let me show you the special features up close. Alright, so now let me show you The Help, another good movie that's been released this week based on the sensational bestseller The Help, an instant classic. So let's take a look here. Same artwork, the words The Help is embossed, the rest, everything else is just plain colorful and glossy. The back, exactly the same, 2-disc, Blu-ray and DVD. So let's, enough chit chat, let's take a look at the artwork. Okay. Here we have the Blu-ray. Nice case. Blu-ray with the big huge letters, region ABC, which means region 3. Here we have just a coupon for snacks, Great Grains, $1.25. And here just talking about other titles. So silver is the DVD, region 1, nice artwork, at least it's really nice, colorful, matte finish. Alright, so let me show you here the special features up close. Alright guys, so this is it, two great releases for this week. One is a drama, the other is action. So hope you liked it. Thanks so much for watching my videos, and see you next time.